The VideoJet 1000 line printers with dynamic calibration, helping eliminate the biggest obstacles you face in meeting the goals you set for your operation. Issues that lead to poor codes, unreadable codes that lead to downtime, scrap, rework, recalls, and even penalties. Dynamic calibration automatically maintains superior print quality and optimum uptime under changing environmental conditions, such as temperature or humidity, which is a known challenge for many printers. The system maintains constant jet velocity, ink viscosity, and drop formation by dynamically controlling pump speed, nozzle drive, and print head heater temperature. The print head heater is designed to maintain constant ink temperature even when ambient temperature and humidity changes. Thus, jetting characteristics remain constant under fluctuating conditions. Ink drop creation is optimized through dynamic adjustment of nozzle drive voltage and frequency, providing optimum ink break-off, ensuring accurate drop placement and print head cleanliness. Time of flight velocity is controlled with the dynamic pump speed. The printer continually monitors and maintains drop velocity by adjusting pump speed, which is essential to maintaining constant print quality in changing conditions. To sum it up, dynamic calibration means the printer makes print head temperature control, automatic drop control, and time of flight velocity control work together to ensure maximum uptime and great print quality. Only from VideoJet. The VideoJet 1000 line of continuous inkjet printers. Designed for your goals, built for your reality.